nailed one. Just connected, guys. Long, hard hunt. Got it done. This bird came in from behind us, and actually I jumped pretty good. He got about 30 yards right behind the blind, and I just about peed my pants or something. I don't know, but it was a great one. Connected on him, and he's a great bird. He put on one show. He came not 5 feet from this blind. He saw the decoys out here, and he came right down this logging road, and it was perfect. Watching Connected Outdoors TV, man. Stay tuned. We're whacking them. Hey everybody, got my bird, 2018 gobbler. He's a good one. Inch and a half spurs, every bit of an inch and a half. He's a limb hanger. I just got him hung up on that limb there, and about 11.5-inch beard or so, and I'd say he's roughly between 28 and 30 pounds. So he's a dandy. Hunted 11 days of the season. Got him today, so pretty happy about that. And beautiful bird, beautiful bird. He came in 5 feet from the blind, walked right down this logging road, right next to it. I could hear his feathers dragging on the ground as he was strutting towards the decoy. And I got it on film for you, so check it out on our episode this year. It's going to be a good one. Connect Outdoors TV.